There's like 1,000 million birds. Look at all the birdies.
Oh, they fly on south, maybe. I'm gonna need a jacket.
Oh shoot, I thought I was gonna feel the pain.
Oh, you know.
All the birdies.
Okay. Nisha, unlike my pic, I'm taking it off.
Be quiet. Shh. I'm recording.
Yes. Over us, this is so cool.
Oh shoot, they might dookie.
This is what happened last year.
I wish one would. I'm looking up. What was that for?
Girl, last time this happened, I ran inside.
Oh my goodness, so many!
Oh my goodness. Girl, I'm so excited.
Cause so many birds.
It is. But last time they didn't come from this way, nor they went the way that they're going now. They came from the I don't even know what direction we in, but they came from the totally.
The birds migrating.
Instead of going from left to right, they went from up to down. If that makes any sense.
Oh my goodness, look
It
at
makes
them.
any sense at all.
There's so many.
Bye bye birdies.
We love you.
Bye bye.
all. We see you later.
Fly birdies fly.
We ain't gonna stop.
Wow wow wow. Girl, what you talking about? Shut up.
Bye, birdies. I love you, birdies.
What you mean you let them birdies? Them birdies don't even know you. Talking about you let them birdies.
Oh, my camera was just banging until I was toward the sky.
Girl, you sound like country just then.
Will you see you later?
You should hear this.
That's Sunday.
Nisha, unlike my photo, I'm gonna take a better one.
Okay, that sun is crucial though. But ooh.
Yeah,